Hello everybody. Today I wanted to talk to you, my little troublemaker here. Yeah, we have a pet and I'm sure in one of the videos you'll see. I want to ask you all what you think. Should I open a different channel for him separate, or should I just change the name on this same channel? I'm debating, and like apparently he will be following me everywhere, and in any video I make he's always there. So I'm wondering what you guys think what I should do. Should I do a separate channel for the husky, or should I just change the name on this channel? I'm not sure what to do really. Decisions. Please comment below. Let me know what you think. This little troublemaker has destroyed 3 of my plants. Yes, 3. He destroyed the Sunstar. Yeah, it is no longer there. One day we went out just for 1 hour and we left him home, and yes, he's been busy. I hope it comes back. And he destroyed this hibiscus here. Remember the big one that I had that I made a video on? Well, now it's small because he broke the big branches. He broke it off. This troublemaker. And he keeps on biting off my little creations here. These are from seedlings. He keeps on grabbing the petunias, chewing them, and he broke a piece of my geranium. And I guess that's 4 plants, because the other plant was the spider plant that I got not so long ago. He bit off a piece of the spider plant. Yeah, which I will put a small clip on that one. Yes, I just replanted this. Well, this is one of my new ones that I got. And I replanted it and I put it in there, in that new pot. And yeah, while we're sleeping, early in the morning, he's busy. And he took off one of the baby ones. Oh, if I can kick his butt. Anyways, yes, my friends, I just wanted a little bit of ideas. Maybe you all can help me, since he's going to be interrupting my videos. So I'm not sure if I should do a separate channel or if I should just keep on using this channel and change the name a bit and customize the picture and all. I don't know what to do. Anyways, my friends, that's all I wanted to comment on. A quick update, and in need of your help, of course. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.